Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, Print Options and Spell Checker. Grid lines and row and column headings can be added to or removed from printouts. Currently, grid lines and headings are set so they will not appear on the printed worksheet. Observe how this worksheet will appear when printed, with these options turned off. To turn grid lines and headings on, first select the Page Layout tab. Use the Sheet Options checkboxes to check the print option for both grid lines and headings. Note that these options are for the selected worksheet only and not the entire workbook. This time, when the worksheet is print previewed, both grid lines and headings are visible. Grid lines and headings can sometimes help to make printouts of data easier to read. To print a chart from the workbook, select the chart worksheet so it becomes active. Once the chart worksheet is active, click on the File tab and then Print. Note that the chart will appear in the Preview window. Click the Print icon to print the document. The Print Area tool can be used to specify a selection in a worksheet to be printed. To set a print area, first select a cell range and then use the Set Print Area tool. The Print Area tool is found under the Page Layout tab. Once the print area is set, no content outside the selection will be printed. Note that only the set print area will now appear in the Print Preview window. To remove the print area, first select the Page Layout tab. Then click the Print Area tool and select Clear Print Area from the menu. The Spell Checker tool can be used to review the worksheet and reduce spelling errors. This tool is found under the Review tab on the Proofing toolbar. In the Spelling dialog box, use the Ignore Once button to ignore correctly spelt words. Use the Suggestions list box and the Change button to amend any spelling errors. Watch how I use the Spelling dialog box to amend the spelling errors in the worksheet.